Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be putting on my new spoiler extension, the goodies. I'm really excited about putting it on. Really excited to see what it's going to look like. And we're going to get to unboxing that now. I'll probably put this on it too. Comes with 3M tape already, so you don't need to buy anything. So small. Well, it's not small, but it's so simple. I would recommend probably cleaning this off first, just so that you're not, trying to stick it to dirt, because that's probably not a good idea. I'm gonna go ahead and spray this off too and clean it, just so that I know that it's clean and it's gonna stick good. And if you guys are curious about these tools that are laying around, that'll be in a video, the next video probably. So this can be like very, very aggravating. I don't know how well you guys can see, but this is like very, very aggravating. You kind of just have to like line it up, I guess, like this, or I guess try to figure out how it's centered, and then I'll like slide it out, and then it goes up against the edge perfectly. I think that's what I'm gonna have to do, and stick it all the way across and just hope it's about right. Like right now it looks about right. That's probably what I'm gonna go with. I'm gonna center it and put it right there on it, the back of it.
Your tape might interfere with that. No, it's on the back side.
Exactly.
I'd go ahead and put it on.
So while I was editing this video, I thought I should probably add this in there, not just leave a random clip. The next clip that you guys are about to see after this is talking about, basically, I posted a thing on Instagram. If you guys are following me on Instagram, then you probably saw it. If you're not following me on Instagram, you should. And basically, I just posted a thing that the car was broken, which, and I had everything taken apart on it and all that stuff, which you guys will see in next video what happened. It actually was broken, but like literally probably 20 something to 30 people were like messaging me being like, dude, what happened? What happened? And you guys will see in the next video what happened. I thought I'd just go ahead and add that to that. I need that cleaner again. Already like 3 or 4 people texted me.
Did they?
Yeah.
What did they say?
So what happened? I said, long story.
Tell them to watch the video to see. Put your sticker on.
Well, I need a tape measure.
That's one's good. Here you go.
Let's see here. I'm gonna go from that to...
That's pretty cool. Well, Bill.
Yeah. So, right there. That's about right. That look about centered.
Mm-hmm. Here, make a mark on the cardboard, though. Is that the middle? About right at the top?
Yeah, right there.
Just don't move this.
Yeah. I'll move this one be off.
I'm gonna move it right at the tip. But quite very corner. Like you push it to the end of it, and that's where I punched it.
This one's about to the end of it, so.
Alright.
I went ahead and put this sticker on there because it's probably easier to do it while it's laying down than it is once it's already up there. So I went ahead and took it off. Put the sticker on. So I already put my tape on here. I'm just gonna. I'm about to peel off the top of this tape. When I put it on the spooler first, I've seen one guy put it on the spooler first and then do this, but I'm gonna do it this way. We're having to use a pick to peel some of this off. She's on now. That stuff's a lot more stickier than I thought it was.
Yeah.
Well, as you guys can see, it looks pretty good, and I think the sticker looks really good too. I think I'm a fan of it. I like it quite a bit, so. Hope you guys liked this video. Please make sure to drop a like, subscribe. I will say that I do really like the support you guys have been giving lately. Been gaining quite a few subs lately too, and I hope so really for things to start picking up even more than they are. I'm already thankful for the people that do watch my videos and continue to watch my videos, comment, like my videos. I thank you. It means a lot actually, because I've been putting a lot of effort into doing this, and I plan on keep on doing these videos and continue the effort, and hopefully in a couple years or so we turn out somewhere great and awesome, and we are pretty big in the car community. I hope so. Hope we are to that point. And I just want to thank you guys for what support you guys have been giving, and that's pretty much all I have to say. Don't forget to stay positive, guys, and peace out. And I almost forgot to mention, there was a guy that commented on like my Mazda badge video a while ago. That was like my second video I posted. Some guy commented on it and asked me for a link to the badge that I have, and I told him I would put the link to that in the description. I almost forgot to add this to this video, but I will put the link to that in the description if anybody wants to buy that badge, the rear badge that I have on my Speed 3. So that will be in the link in the description if any of you guys like that badge, and I will add the link. It's not expensive or anything. It's very cheap and it's pretty easy to install too. I've had mine for probably, I think, 2 years now. It's been on the car, so that's probably about it.